Alaknanda. She flows swiftly down as the glory of Himalayas, smearing the blissfulness of life that gifted the universal knowledge to the humanity for ages. On the banks of Alaknanda flourishes the great civilization of Pauri Garhwal of the Uttarakhand state. The mass movement that took shape in the Garhwal region for the creation of educational institutions led to the formation of the Garhwal University in 1973 at Srinagar. In 1989, after the great leader of the Garhwal, Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna, the humble son of Dev Bhumi, who rose to be the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and cast his imprints as an unchallengeable national leader. The university was named as Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna University. Further, in 2009, the university was brought under the Parliamentary Act to be declared as a central university. The H.N. Bahuguna University expanded over the years to be counted among the 10 largest universities of the country with 181 affiliated colleges and 3 large campuses. Birla Campus, Gopal Reddy Campus and Swami Ram Tirth Campus. Birla Campus is located at Srinagar together with its extension Chauras Campus and houses the administrative offices amidst other faculties. P. Gopal Reddy Campus was established in 1971 with undergraduate courses in art and was later upgraded in 1972 with faculties in science and mathematics. 1974 started postgraduate courses. In 1977, together with the Department of Law and research programs were also started. In 2003, postgraduate degree course in law were also added. In 1977, the campus was named as BGR Campus. Swami Ram Tirth Campus, gazing at the confluence of 2 great rivers, is named after the Swami Ram Tirth, the great follower of Swami Vivekanand, an exponent of Vedanta philosophy who spent his late life in the Himalayas. In 1969, the campus came into being as a degree college with art faculties under Agra University and was later taken over as a constituent college of the HNB University. Over the years, SRT campus diversified to science, commerce, education, law, together with various professional courses, administration. As is the case with 114 institutions under the control of Union Ministry of Human Resource Development, the President of India is a visitor to the HNB University as well. University is headed by the Vice Chancellor, Professor Jawaharlal Kaul.
While the university has come a long way since its inception, it has to keep pace with the changing needs and expectations of the society. It has also to successfully perform the multiple roles of creating new knowledge, acquiring new capabilities and producing an intelligent human resource pool for the promotion of economic growth, cultural development, social cohesion, equity and justice.
Registrar, who has made significant contributions for the planning and development, Dr. A.K. Jha.
This university is a very good opportunity regarding this student scenario, climate, and all the students and faculty are very good, very nice. There being administration part of the, I have to tell all the students, please come free. If you have any problem, you come to talk to me. And number one. Number two, I have discussed with the Vice Chancellor to paperless job. This is my first priority.
The finances of the HNB University is managed by Dr. Padmakar Misra.
Imparting proper education with appropriate and relevant technology is perhaps the best means for achieving this desired goal. Indeed, expansion of education must go hand in hand with equity and excellence.
We are trying very hard to make it a research-led university which will be known for its excellence in the area of learning, teaching and research. At the same time, we are trying to help out the students by generating many new courses which are skill based.
The IQAC of Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna Garhwal University, inconsistent with its vision and mission, is functioning with the objective to develop a quality system for improvement of academic and administrative performance of the university through adoption of best practices.
A major task before any administration is to maintain the standards, improvisation and upgradation to meet the challenges on account of the transitions in the society and to keep up with the pace of technological advancements. In compliance with the specifications of the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, NACC Bangalore, HNB University has envisaged specific programs towards maintaining highest level of clarity and focus on the functioning of the institution, ensuring quality as a culture within the institution, enhancing coordination in various activities, besides providing a sound basis decision-taking to improve the institutional functioning, and to function as a dynamic system in quality management. School of Agriculture and Allied Sciences have 5 major departments. The Department of Forestry and Natural Resources offers undergraduate course of 4 years and postgraduate degree course of 2 years in forestry. The department has identified major thrust areas of advanced research in the areas of conservation forestry with special emphasis on biodiversity, forest ecosystem, goods and services, and forestry in relation to climate change. High Altitude Plant Physiology Research Center, Himalayas, the gift of nature to our motherland, is unique with its versatility of its biotic system, as well defined by its salient features of vegetation. Agrotechnology and quality planting material are being provided in the region for improving the economy of the region. The department has established a horticultural research center at Chauras in over 10 hectares of land that serves not only as a field laboratory for practical of UG and PG students and research but also as demonstration unit for trainees. Equipping rural life with technology and know-how have been proved to be the main key in rural development, which needs a systematic change in the education sector. The Department of Rural Technology turned out to be a major milestone in the lives of the Pauri Garhwal region. Department of Seed Science. The main thrust of the department is to standardize seed production technologies for different crops including traditional, medicinal and aromatic vegetables and floral crops and carry out the fundamental and applied research in seed science.
Our future plans that the departments under the school will be working in close association with the society to transfer the technology that the departments have developed for the regional development. And in addition to that, we will be taking up some new studies which are relevant from environmental point of view as well as the regional development.
The School of Earth Sciences has 4 departments. The Department of Defence and Strategic Studies. Presently, it is one of the 3 centres offering PG classes in the entire Garhwal region of the state. Department of Geography was introduced in all the 3 campuses. The department offers undergraduate, postgraduate courses and doctoral degree programs. Department of Geological Information Sciences was introduced in 2003-2004 academic year in the Birla campus. The remote sensing along with computer-based data processing has brought a revolutionary change in the methods of study, surveying and monitoring the resources. Department offers 2-year postgraduate course in remote sensing and GIS. Department of Botany was originally established with the Birla Government Degree College as an undergraduate course. It was inherited by the university as a postgraduate department. The department started self-financed PG course in microbiology. Established in May 1994 as Emerging Areas Program for Quality Teaching, Research and Extension in Environmental Sciences, the department has MSc and PhD programs. Under UGC's innovative program, the department has an advanced PG diploma in Environmental Economics under a highly specialized program on PG Diploma in Environmental Management. Department offers MSc programs in Zoology, Biotechnology and Himalayan Aquatic Biodiversity and is among the first in the country to introduce integrated 5-year MSc program.
Department of Zoology and Biotechnology has recently created this fish hatchery, and the seed produced through this hatchery shall be stocked upstream the reservoir constructed by the Alaknanda Hydroelectric Project at Srinagar, Garhwal.
The Department of Biochemistry was set up in the year 2010 for quality teaching, research and extension in area of biological chemistry. Department is running UG program since its inception in the Birla campus of the university. School of Sciences. The Department of Chemistry is carrying out various research areas including natural products, organometallic synthesis, heterocyclic chemistry, nanotechnology, green chemistry, natural dyes, chemical sensors, photochemistry, photophysics and biological chemistry. Home Science Department was established in the year 1976, beginning with undergraduate course. The concept of better living through innovative technologies and the concept of new flavors adds taste of making homes better is well received by the people of the region. The Department of Mathematics has been a part of HNB University since its inception in 1973 at all its 3 campuses. Department of Physics has both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The major thrust areas of research includes particle physics, astrophysics, theoretical solid-state physics, atmospheric physics, and material science. Department of Pharmaceutical Sciences was established on self-finance mode in 1996 with the introduction of degree course in pharmacy. Apart from the PhD and postgraduate research work of the faculty members and students, individual research projects funded by national and international agencies are also run by the department. Department of Pharmaceutical Chemistry offers 2 years PG course in MSc Pharmaceutical Chemistry. The course is designed to offer opportunities for advanced study in drug discovery technology, therapeutics, herbal drug technology, process development, pharmaceutical analysis and quality assurance, manufacturing, processing, formulation, regulatory compliance and quality assurance of pharmaceutical ingredients and finished products. Department of Statistics was established at Srinagar and Tehri campus in 1978 with undergraduate level programs. The department since inception has been actively engaged in research in the field of operations research and demography.
पौड़ी परिसर में शोध कार्य के क्षेत्र में बहुत ही अच्छा कार्य हुआ है राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर और अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर। जंतु विज्ञान में, मत्स्य विज्ञान में, एक्वाटिक बायोडाइवर्सिटी में, वाइल्ड लाइफ इकोलॉजी में बहुत अच्छा कार्य हुआ है। वनस्पति विज्ञान में, बायोडाइवर्सिटी कंजर्वेशन में और इसके टिश्यू कल्चर में काफ़ी अच्छा काम हुआ है। फिजिक्स में, थ्योरेटिकल फिजिक्स में, केमिस्ट्री में जो है वो हर्बल प्लांट पे, हर्बल मेडिसिन पे बहुत अच्छा कार्य हुआ है।
वी आर वर्किंग इन द फील्ड ऑफ नेचुरल रेडियोएक्टिविटी फॉर लास्ट 20 years in these laboratories, and we have very good collaboration with different laboratories both in India and abroad. This laboratory, we have the collaboration with the Bhabha Atomic Research Center. They all come over here to access their samples and other facilities in these laboratories.
We have introduced the new system of converting marks into grades, and earlier we have been using the absolute system of marking, absolute system of grading. Now we have switched over to the relative grading of the students, and this will help us this will help our student to cope up with the other students of the country and globally also.
School of Engineering and Technology. The Department of Computer Science and Engineering is running 3 years postgraduate course, Master of Computer Applications, and 4 years undergraduate course, BTech in Computer Science and Engineering. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering is set up with a vision to evolve so as to conduct research of high quality and to develop cutting-edge electronic products and technology. Department of Information Technology has a vision to evolve high-quality research to conduct and develop cutting-edge IT products and technology. University Science Instrumentation Center, dedicated to extend an instrumentation culture in the society and in the higher education system. The department has well-equipped labs. The electrical, electronics, control systems, sensors and transducers, microprocessors, microcontrollers, renewable energy, intelligent instrumentation, virtual instrumentation, vacuum and thin film deposition labs. Department of Mechanical Engineering was established beginning with the BTech Mechanical Engineering course. Over the years, the Department of Mechanical Engineering has grown with the best quality of infrastructure and faculties.
The goal of this school is to emerge as one of the leading institutes of the country. We have developed in our school state-of-art laboratories, enriched libraries and ICT technology based computer systems. We are also running one PG program which is Master in Computer Application, and we are sending our students for this for 6 months project in National Informatics Center, then ONGC, then BSNL, etc.
School of Arts, Communication and Languages. Center for Folk Performing Arts and Culture was set up in the year 2006 with the vision to preserve and restore the performing arts of Uttarakhand. The center has made major strides towards preservation of Himalayan culture and heritage. The Center for Journalism and Mass Communication has well-equipped laboratories for print media and electronic media, including studios. To provide practical training to the students, the center has also been publishing a monthly laboratory journal, Sanchar Tattva. Department of Drawing and Painting. As one steps into the facilities of drawing and painting, it seems that these words are getting translated into waves of colors. Art and culture are the unspoken languages which are understood and enjoyed all over the world. Department of English, Modern European and other foreign languages. As a university that looks ahead to link the Himalayan region and to cast its imprints in the global village, the creation of faculties in English and Modern European and other foreign languages is a remarkable achievement in this direction. Department of Hindi was set up in the year 1973 in all 3 campuses of the university with the objective to develop Hindi language as well as to enrich other Indian languages. Department of Library and Information Science offers a 1-year bachelor's degree in Library and Information Science in the self-finance mode at Birla Campus Srinagar and SRT Campus Tehri. Department of Music. The Department of Music was set up at the Birla Campus in 1979. It imparts instructions at bachelor's and master degree levels in vocal and instrumental. Department of Sanskrit offers courses at the undergraduate as well as postgraduate level and doctoral degree programs in all the 3 campuses of the university. School of Humanities and Social Sciences. The Department of Anthropology was established in 1976 at Srinagar campus of the university. Since then, it is the only department imparting anthropological knowledge and training in Uttarakhand, Himalaya. Department of Economics that functions in all the 3 campuses has emerged as a major center for teaching and research in economics. Department of History, including ancient Indian history. The department was renamed as the Department of History, including Ancient Indian History, Culture and Archaeology at Birla campus following the inception of Garhwal University. The University Museum of Himalayan Archaeology and Ethnography was established in 1980 with the aim to conserve and exhibit the antiquities and other art objects collected, excavated from various locations, archaeological sites of Uttarakhand and other parts of the country. Department of Philosophy was started initially with the undergraduate classes in 1980 and later in 1990 was upgraded to postgraduate level. Department of Political Science is functioning since the inception of the university and is one of the biggest department of the School of Humanities and Social Sciences. The Department of Psychology was established in the year 1978 with undergraduate courses. With great effort, postgraduate courses started in the year 1992. All the three campuses of the university offer teaching in sociology at undergraduate and postgraduate level. Since 2007, the department has also been offering Master of Social Work MSW course.
We have ambitious plans for the future development of the School of Humanities and Social Sciences, and which are reflected in the different kind of MOUs which have been made by the faculty of this school.
School of Commerce. The Department of Commerce has been working effectively with the objective to facilitate and promote quality education for all-round development of the students. Besides the BCom, MCom, PGDBA and PhD, the department also offers certificate course in Diploma in Advertising Sales Promotion and Sales Management to help students for making professional choices early in life. Department of Secretarial Practice, which comes under Faculty of Commerce, HNB Garhwal University. School of Education. Department of Adult Continuing Education and Extension, Birla. The department have been involved in programs like literacy, post-literacy, continuing education and science for masses, environmental education, legal literacy and technology transfer by involving students and teachers. Department of Education was started in Birla campus in 1972, Tehri in 1973 and Pauri in 2008. Department of Naturopathy and Yoga. Yoga is the very foundation of overall personality development, not only in Indian culture but also of the different cultures of the world. The Department of Physical Education comes under School of Education and now the course is converted into regular scheme. The faculty of the department is actively engaged in research in the area of physical education and sports. School of Law. School of Law is engaged in teaching LLB and LLM courses, and from this year, PhD program has also been started. Moot court, legal literacy and organization of camps has been a regular feature of department. School of Management. Center for Mountain Tourism and Hospitality Studies, Birla. Department of Tourism laid its foundation stone way back in the year 1976 with the postgraduate diploma in Tourism and Pilgrimage Studies. Later, department was renamed as Center for Mountain Tourism and Hospitality Studies CMTHS in the year 2001. Since its inception, the center has worked ceaselessly in the area of tourism and hospitality management education and provides industry-oriented courses in the field of tourism and hotel management with due stress on practical knowledge.
The department has checkered history in placement as well as in training. All the students of this department are getting very lucrative jobs in travel trade and are getting placement as travel executive with a respectable package.
The Department of Business Management is one of the prestigious departments of the university ever since its inception in 1997 and has got a pan-India outlook, with the students and faculty members of department being drawn from various pockets of the country.
We are also glad to share that our school has signed a MOU with Dimitri Centamir University, Romania, Târgu Mureș, Romania, and under European Union Erasmus Plus program for student and faculty exchange program.
Hostel facilities to students, both boys and girls, has been a priority of the HNB Garhwal University, especially after being upgraded as a central university. The university has an Employment and Guidance Bureau of the Uttarakhand State Government at Srinagar campus. It also helps in professional guidance and career counseling to the students through establishing career corners. The Infonet is a major initiative undertaken by the University Grants Commission to bring the benefits of information and communication technology to all the universities and colleges in India. The connectivity will facilitate the university to communicate with the other universities in the country, abroad, and also share library resources established by Information and Library Network.
The next academic session is the online admission system. The MHRD UGC has written us that we should start the admission process online, and we are trying very hard to have this from the next session. And because online admission system will ensure our proficiency, efficiency also, and it will also give us a transparency for the university functioning.
The main aim of the center is to implement an efficient and transparent system utilizing the state-of-the-art information technology resources for effective information storage, retrieval and transfer mainly related to computerization of university results, generation of mark sheet, degree, etc. of the various examinations conducted by the university.
My team of examination section is doing wonderful job to get the examination done in a transparent way.
My basic purpose is to facilitate the students and their qualitative research and generating fund from other sources, other research organizations, and expedite the process of recruitment.
In order to enable students belonging to SC, ST, OBC of non-creamy layer, minority communities who need remedial coaching to come up with the level necessary for pursuing higher studies efficiently, University has set up this center. In the year 2013, HNB Garhwal University set up a permanent women's cell for looking after the problems and complaints regarding women harassment. The Women's Cell for combating sexual harassment was only to supplement the existing healthy environment of the university. National Service Scheme is active in all the 3 campuses, motivating students to participate in social work. Under the State Directorate of NCC, training is imparted to students in all the 3 campuses of the university. The sports stadium at Chauras campus spread across 10,000 square meters. University has indoor stadium, playgrounds for football, hockey, cricket, volleyball, handball, as well as for tracks and field events. The university auditorium hosts all important meetings, seminars and conventions organized by the university.
UGC द्वारा 12 प्लान के अंतर्गत विश्वविद्यालय को लगभग 176 करोड़ रुपए फर्स्ट फेज में दिए गए, जो अभी तक प्रोजेक्ट करे गए हैं, जिसमें स्टूडेंट एक्टिविटी सेंटर है, फैसिलिटी सेंटर है, एकेडमिक सेंटर है, इंजीनियरिंग सेल है, लैंग्वेज ब्लॉक है, ये सब ऑलमोस्ट हमने कंप्लीट कर दिए हैं।
मैं आज अपने को बड़ा गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहा हूँ कि हमारे द्वारा, संगठन के द्वारा, परिषद के द्वारा विश्वविद्यालय की जो समस्याएं थी उनका निवारण प्रोफेसर GL कौल के सकारात्मक रूप के कारण अधिकांश समस्याओं का निदान हो गया है।
प्रोफेसर GL कौल कुलपति गढ़वाल विश्वविद्यालय के मार्गदर्शन में जो पिछले 1 साल से विश्वविद्यालय प्रगति कर रहा है, विश्वविद्यालय टीचर एसोसिएशन के अध्यक्ष होने के नाते हम पूरा सहयोग करेंगे।
मैं अपेक्षा करता हूं कि गढ़वाल विश्वविद्यालय स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी, कल्चर एक्टिविटी में देश विदेशों में नाम कमाए और साथ ही स्थानीय लोगों का भी गढ़वाल विश्वविद्यालय में पूरी भागीदारी होनी चाहिए।
The University Grants Commission recognized it as the nodal center for women's studies in the eastern region. Right to Information (RTI). The university has taken measures for the implementation of various provisions including proactive disclosure of certain kind of information under the Right to Information Act. University Career Counseling and Placement Service has been providing students career guidance and placement support.
We are in the process of sending our students to the Linnaeus University so that our students can get an exposure to the situation of the Sweden University, and they can learn more and they can get the more exposure also.
We have memorandum of understanding with international universities. We have MOUs with local corporate sectors. We have MOU with local manufacturing sectors. And I believe that these types of understandings are necessary to not only enhance the placement of my students, but this will give us an impetus to devise corporate centric modules and courses which will have a great placement in the market.
Layout of the Hemwati Nandan Bahuguna University is on a modular pattern with faculties assigned to various schools, thus leaving adequate space expansion along diversified areas in accordance with the need of the time.
Namaste, my name is Francie. I'm from Germany. I'm here in HMB Gabel University with subject forestry. I enjoyed really much the internship that we're doing here.
I'm here at Garwal University to have a part of my internship, and we're going to be here for 1 week and interact with the local students and learn about social work here in India.
Hello, I'm Marie Fuchs from Germany. I study forestry there, and since 3 months I'm here for an exchange program here at Garwal University at Torres campus, and I'm really enjoying it here because of the nice area, the mountains and the surroundings.
I am from Manipur. We are enjoying here a lot. We feel home and quite safe here. The study environment is good with good facilities and faculties.
The campus we are right now living in is a widespread area and a beautiful place to study. You have the possibility to meet many different other subjects and students from other faculties. The interchange is really good.
It's a home away from home, and I'm enjoying here with well-equipped labs with good teaching facilities.
Here the environment of this university is very good, and here the quality education is there. All the teachers are very good and cooperative.
We have very high technology research laboratory and very innovative facilities here. So I'm very proud of this institute.
I invite every young aspirant, inquisitive mind and dreamer from across the country to experience a unique learning experience in the serenity of Himalayan environment. I would give all my best wishes to all students who are here, enrolled at the present moment and who would wish to enroll in future too.